Today, let's discuss the word problems of exercise 15D, which are based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, one by one, I'll try to solve all the questions so that you understand well. Question number 1, if you see, they are asking you find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle. Remember, Pythagoras theorem is applied only in a right angle triangle. Okay, it's given here what you need to find the hypotenuse and other two sides which measure 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Okay, there's a right angle and they are telling you right triangle, and they are telling you the arms are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter. You need to find out the hypotenuse. Let's consider it x. And what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says what? AC का square is equals to AB का square plus BC का square. Or you can say what? Hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, 2 ka square. Or simply you can name the triangle and you can form this theorem in this way. AC ka square will be equals to AB ka square plus BC ka square. So let's do the calculation on the basis of this. AC we have to find, we know that it is x, so it will become x square. AB is how much? It is 9. And BC is how much? It is 12. Okay, 9 into 9 will give you 81. 12 into 12 will give you 144. I told you in my previous video to learn the squares of number 2 to 30. It will make your work easy. Okay, it will help you to gain, it will help you to have quick answers. Quickly you can calculate and find out the answers. Is that clear? So on addition we will get the number 225. Now this is the value of x square. We need to find out the value of x. That means square हट के क्या हो जाएगा? इसका square root हो जाएगा. And we know 225 is a square of which number? Number 15. Okay. So hypotenuse is how much? Answer is 15. Is that clear? Understood? Here you have to simply apply the theorem. Let's see question number 2. In question number 2, it's given here, hypotenuse of a right triangle is 26 centimeter long. If one of the side is 10 centimeter, find the other side. Again, we'll apply the same theorem. Let's make a small diagram. Now here they have given us what? The hypotenuse. It's given how much? 26 centimeter. One side is given 10 and this one is missing. So let's consider it what? X. Okay. On considering it x, we will apply the same theorem which says what? AC ka square is equals to AB plus BC. Okay. AB is how much? We do not know. We have considered it what? X. Is that clear? BC we know it's how much? It is 10. So we have to do the square of 10 number. And AC is given, it is 26. So we have to do squares. We will put here a square. Now we will find out the squares. Okay, before finding out the squares, I am bringing this 10 number here. 26 ka whole square we have to take out and minus 10 ka whole square. Answer will give you x value. 26 into 26 is how much? 676. And 10 into 10 is how much? 100. This is what? It will give you x square value. On subtraction, we will get what? 756, that is x square. And in order to find x, you will do under root of 576. That means you have to find out 576 is a square of which number. Okay. On calculating, you will get the number what? It's a square of number 24. Okay. Both methods of taking out square root I have discussed. You can find my video on my channel. Okay, how to find out the square roots using prime factorization and long division method. So you can use this method for small. Just take out the LCM, make the pairs and see which number it gives you. So that will be it will give you the square. Okay, it's a number of which square. Let's take question number 3. The length of one side of a triangle is 4.5 centimeter. The length of its hypotenuse is 7.5 centimeter. You need to find out the third side. It is similar to your question number 2. Okay, similar here to question number 2. Now what's the problem here? The values are given in points. Okay, side is given to you as 4.5, hypotenuse is given to you as 7.5. So be very careful when you are taking out the squares and subtracting and finding out the square root. Okay. Question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying the two legs, the two sides of the right angle triangle are same. So if one is x, another will also become what? X. And next part they are saying the square of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse ka square they have already given. It's saying that it is 50. So using this we have to find out the length of each side. Is that clear? We know AC का square is equals to what? Hypotenuse का square is equals to AB का square plus AC का square. We have taken AB and BC as XX. Okay? As XX we have taken. And AC का square is directly given to you how much? That is 50. Because they are saying the square of the hypotenuse is 50. That means the square is already given to you. So you will not do the square again. You will write there 50. Now x square plus x square. Let's do it nicely. This is x square. This is also x square. 2x squares will get added and will make what? 2x square. And x square we'll keep it here. 50 upon 2 will be how much? 25. And in order to find out the under root of 25, in order to find out x value, we'll remove the square and we'll make it what? Under root. That means find out this number, the given number is the square of which number? We know 25 is the square of number 5. So x answer is how much? 5. That means our leg is how much? 5 centimeter. If one is 5 centimeter, automatically other will become 5 centimeter because they are saying they are equal. Okay, they are saying that the legs are equal. That's why we have taken xx. फिर यहाँ square करना था. That's why they became what? X square. 50 का divided by 2. Why? Because x square plus x square made how much? 2x square. And on division we got 25. 25 is the square of number 5. Let's look at question number 5 now. The sides of the triangle measure 15, 36, 39. Show that it's a right angle triangle. Now measurements of the sides are given to you. 15, 36, 39. Remember the bigger value is of hypotenuse. Always the measurements are given. Remember of a right angle triangle, the bigger one is of the hypotenuse. Here we have to verify whether the triangle is a right angle triangle or not. So question number 5, you have to do what? Verify. What you have to verify? That AC का square is equals to AB का square plus BC का square. अगर ये थ्योरम हमारी यहाँ करेक्ट हो गई, we'll say that the triangle is what? Right angle triangle. Is that clear? If this theorem is correct, we'll say that it is a right angled triangle. Okay, and if the answer is not coming same, we'll make it what? No. So let's calculate it. Okay, the values are how much? 15 centimeter. One value is given 15 centimeter, 36 centimeter and 39 centimeter. So the bigger value is of hypotenuse. Okay, and what does the theorem says? Hypotenuse का square is equals to किसके बराबर होता है? Side 1 का square plus side 2 का square. Let's do this. In place of hypotenuse, I'll write what? 39 and we'll take out the square of it. In place of side 1, you are free to write whichever you want, 15 or 36. And side 2, 36. We'll prove that the answer of these two will be equal to answer of this square. We have to prove that left hand side is equals to your right hand side or not. Right hand side you have these numbers and left hand side you have this number. So if this theorem is correct, we'll say that yes, it's a right angle triangle. So let's calculate and see. 15 is how much? 225. And 36 into 36 will be how much? 1296. Okay, you can go in the rough column and quickly multiply and to find out what will be the number. Okay, everyone. 1296. So 36 square is 1296 and 39 square is how much? 1521. So we have to see that on addition, is it giving us 1521 or not? So if you add these two, yes, you will get what? 1521 this side, 1521 this side. So yes, they are equal. They are equal. This theorem completely applies to this sum. So yes, therefore The triangle is what? Right angle triangle. Triangle is right angled triangle. Question number 6. In right angle, that is right triangle ABC, the length of its legs are given 6 centimeter, 4.5. Measurement of the sides are given to you. You have to find out the length of its hypotenuse. Okay. How to do it? You'll do what? You'll apply the same theorem. Hypotenuse ka square is equals to side 1 ka square plus side 2 ka square, and then you find out the under root to find out the value. Let's quickly do it. AC ka square, all the triangles are actually marked A, B, C. So every time hypotenuse is taken as AC only. Or you write again and again hypotenuse ka square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. I am writing this way. Pay attention. AC ka square is equals to AB ka square plus BC ka square. Is that clear? AC we do not know. We know AB is how much? It is 6 centimeter. So 6 ka square plus 4.5 ka square. Square of number for 4.5 is how much? It is 20.25. And square of 6 number is number 36. You will add both of them, it will become 56.25. Okay, and in order to find AC, you will do the square root of this and you will get the answer 7.5. Is that clear? You can see the long division method or factorization method to find out the square roots on my channel. Let's look at question number 7 now. The lengths of the sides of the sum triangle are given below. Which of them are right angle triangle? Okay, you need to do this question according to this procedure. See that your left hand side, that is hypotenuse ka square, is equals to side 1 ka square plus side 2 ka square. If answers on both sides are coming same, that means yes, the triangle is which one? Right angle triangle. Let's take one case from there. Question number 7. I'll take the last part, that is third part. A is how much? 10 centimeter. B is 24 centimeter and C is 26 centimeter. We only need to prove this theorem correct. If we prove this theorem correct, the answer will be what? That the triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay. Hypotenuse, the bigger one, the bigger value, there will be the hypotenuse. 26 square, side 1, 10 square, side 2, 24 square. Let's do it and see whether answer of this side is coming equal to this side or not. 26 into 26 will be how much? It will be 676 and 10 will be 100, 24 will be, and 24 square will be 576. So if you add these two, you will get 676 this side, and this side is equals to your this side, that is left hand side is equals to your right hand side, and hence the triangle is right angle triangle. So in this question you will be picking up all the values. See that the theorem gets applied here. If on calculation left hand side is coming to equal to your right hand side, you'll call it what? Right angle triangle. Let's look at question number 8. In ABC triangle, B is what? 35, C is what? 55. Write which of the following is true. We have to show which one is the following, which of the following is true. Before that, first let's find out what is this. What is the measurement of this angle? We know all three angles in a triangle give a sum of how much? 180. Two are already given to you. So let's find out the measurement of the third angle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to what? 180. On addition of all the angles you get 180. Angle A is not given, so let's write A there. B is given to you 35. C is given to you 55. Let's calculate. Okay. It's 90 degree, and here angle A plus 90, 180 will be, angle A will be 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. That means this angle is actually a right angle. This angle is actually a right angle. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, so if you turn the page, which of the theorem, which of these statements are correct? According to this triangle, if you form the Pythagoras theorem, what will be the Pythagoras theorem? BC ka square is equals to AB plus BAC. So let's see which one is this BC का square. If you see this one, this is the correct. Okay, why? Because on calculation of the third angle we got to know that this angle is 90 degree and hypotenuse कौन सा होता है? Just in front side, the front side of 90 degree angle, that is known as hypotenuse. So we have given that the formula should be what? BC का square plus is equals to AB square plus AC square. Now let's look at question number 9, which is very important. A 15-meter long ladder is there. नसेनी जिसको बोलते हैं, long ladder is there. This is the ladder. It's how much long? 15 meter. We are placing it against the wall. Against the wall means what? Wall से टिका के उसको रख रहे हैं. कितनी ऊंचाई तक रख रहे हैं? 12 meter from the ground. 12 meter from the ground की ऊंचाई पे we are putting this ladder, okay, in a slanting position. Obviously ladders are kept in a slanting position because they need support. They are getting support from this wall. So ladder is 15 meter and it is placed 12 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. We have to find the distance from the foot of the ladder. This is the foot of the ladder, bottom part of the ladder. From this to this we have to find out the distance. ये wall है, ये ladder का निचला हिस्सा है, so we have to find out its distance. That means we have to find out the side. Remember this straight line, all the straight lines, all the buildings, all that are standing straight on the ground, they are actually standing at a 90 degree angle. So this wall is actually a straight line which is what? 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse, this is one of the sides. Let's calculate the third one. What will be the formula? Question number 9. Okay, this is the diagram. This is 12 meter above, this is the 90 degree angle. This is given to you 50 meter long and this one is marked as X. So let's use the Pythagoras theorem and find out the answer. What is the Pythagoras theorem? It says what? Hypotenuse का square is equals to side 1 का square plus side 2 का square. Is that clear? Hypotenuse की place में we'll write 15 square, side 1 12 का square and side 2 which we do not have, we'll write it as x का square. Now let's calculate our answer. X square we'll keep it here, 12 will be taken on the other side of equals to. So 15 into 15 will be 225 and this 12 will go there. Let me write it properly. And 15 15s are 225 minus 12 12s are 144 is equals to x square. Answer will be 81. Answer will be 81 and x alone will give us what? Square हटाया because square find out करना है, under root find out करना है. 81 किसका under root होता है, किसका square होता है? number 9 का. So answer is your 9. So this is the distance of the ladder. ये जो ladder लगी थी ये कितने distance पे? It is 9 meter away from the wall. Understood everyone? What we have done? Remember slanting में ही हमेशा ladder को टिकाया जाता है. Slanting चीज़ क्या बन जाती है? Hypotenuse of the triangle. And we had to find this third one. Let's look at question number 10 now. A 5 meter long ladder when set against the wall of the house reaches a height of 4.8. Okay, now they are telling us what? There is a ladder. Question number 10. Ladder कितनी है? Ladder is 5 meter long. So there is a ladder, it is placed against the wall, okay, of the house so that it reaches a height of 4.8. This ladder, there is a wall, we are placing this ladder that is 5 meter long in such a way that it reaches the height, कितनी height तक पहुँचे? 4.8 meter की height तक. How far is the ladder, is the foot of the ladder from the wall? So we have to do the same. हमें ये foot find out करना है. ये foot कितनी दूरी पर है from this wall. This ladder which we placed against the wall at a height of 4.8 meter is how much long? So again we'll apply the same. Hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 का square plus side 2 का square. Okay, hypotenuse is how much? 5. Side is how much? 4.8 square. ये वाला side हम x मान के चलेंगे. I'll take this here on the other side of equals to 5 का square minus 4.8 का square will give you how much? X square. 5 5 sides 25 5 5 से 25, दिस 4.8 का कितना होता है 23.04, एंड ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इट फ्रॉम 25 यू विल गेट द नंबर 1.96, and then you can calculate x value easily what it is, okay, by finding out the under roots. Is that clear? And 1.96 is a square of number 1.4, okay. In order to you, there is another method which is given to your book, that is what are they doing, they have written x square कितना है, we are taking this sum from here, okay. एक्स स्क्वायर कितना है 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 पॉइंट का स्क्वायर. देयर इज अनदर वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन, आई एम टेकिंग दैट, दिस पे अटेंशन. यहाँ तक तो यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू साइड 1 प्लस साइड 2 का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेन्यूज की जगह पे हमने क्या लिखा 5 स्क्वायर, एंड देन वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इट. एक्स स्क्वायर को हम अकेला रखेंगे, वाई, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरिएबल, और नंबर्स को साथ ले आएंगे. सो आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग दिस पार्ट, सेकेंड मेथड फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, so 5 square a square. Now this is in the format of a square minus b square. ये a square और b square के फॉर्मेट में है, और a square b square का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है a plus b a minus b. So what we will do, instead of taking out the squares and minusing there, what we are going to write, a जो a square और b square के फॉर्मेट में है उसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. First we'll write a plus b, that is 5 plus 4.8. फिर लिखेंगे a माइनस जी 5 माइनस 4.8, एंड देन वील मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू आंसर्स. दिस इज द सेकेंड वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. क्या है ये ए स्क्वायर वाला फॉर्मूला भी आपने पढ़ा नहीं है, इट विल कम इन योर 8th क्लास. ये अगर आप देखो ये दो नंबर्स इस फॉर्मेट में लिखे थे ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ये नंबर ए है इसका स्क्वायर, ये नंबर बी है इसका स्क्वायर, बोथ हैव टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. और ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है मैथ्स में, ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी. So 5 plus 4.8, 5 minus 4.8. That will give us what? 9.8 into 0.2. इसका आंसर 0.2 आएगा. Is that clear? And on multiplying, you will get the answer 1.96. Okay. Now 1.96 you can write it in this format. 1.96 you cut out and make it upon 100. एंड 196 इसका है स्क्वायर, 14 का है, एंड ये 10 का है. वाई, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर रिमूविंग दिस स्क्वायर फ्रॉम हियर, वी आर रिमूविंग दिस एंड वी आर मेकिंग इट दिस का अंडर रूट, एंड 14, एंड ये कितना हो जाएगा 1.4 आंसर आपके पास आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव रिटन इन दिस फॉर्मेट a प्लस बी a माइनस बी. a प्लस बी का आंसर इज कमिंग 9.8, माइनस का आ रहा है 0.2. We multiplied both of them. On multiplying we are getting the answer 1.96. What we are getting 1.96 as the answer. ये किसका आंसर है, सवाल स्क्वायर का है, x स्क्वायर का. We need to calculate this. To make my work easy, what I am going to do, I'll change this decimal point and make it upon 10. Make it upon 100. I'll remove and make it upon 100. So now the numbers are what? 196 upon 100. अब हमें इसका अंडर रूट करना है. 196 अपॉन 100. 196 इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 14 नंबर, 100 इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 10 नंबर, एंड 14 डिवाइड बाय 10 विल बी दिस. ओके, लेट्स लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, which is very interesting. A tree is broken by the wind but does not separate. There's a tall tree, okay, it's broken but it does not get separated. So what happened, जब ट्री सेपरेट नहीं होती है तो वो क्या शेप बना लेती है, ये शेप बना लेती है. ट्री यहाँ से एक्चुअली कट हुई पर अलग नहीं हुई, तो इट हैज़ बेंड, इट हैज़ फॉलन ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो दिस इज़ द शेप ऑफ द ट्री नाउ. अर्लियर विच वॉज स्टैंडिंग स्ट्रेट इरेक्ट, क्या हुआ वो कट हो गई, एंड क्या हुआ ब्रेक जब हुई तो कम्प्लीटली ब्रेक नहीं हुई, इट हैज़ फॉर्म दिस शेप ऑन दिस ग्राउंड. Okay, so that's why it's written here, a tree is broken by the wind but does not separate. जब separate नहीं है तो वो ज़मीन में जाके कैसे गिरेगी, ऐसे slanting position में गिरेगी. If the point where it breaks is 9 meter above the ground, the point जहाँ वो टूटती है is how much, 9 meter above the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 from its foot. So let's first understand this line. They are saying the point where it breaks. ये पॉइंट जहाँ ट्री टूटी है वो पॉइंट कितना है, इट इज़ 9 मीटर. दिस पॉइंट वेर इट ब्रेक्स इज 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. ओके, एंड द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री एंड द टॉप टचेज द ग्राउंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ हाउ मच, 12 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स फुट. जो टॉप है, जो ट्री का टॉप है, जो अब ज़मीन पर डला है, इट इज़ टचिंग द ग्राउंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ हाउ मच 12 मीटर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द ट्री. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. देयर इज अ ट्री, वो क्या हुआ, ट्री बीच में से ब्रेक हो गई. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कम्प्लीटली कमिंग डाउन, अब वो कैसे गिर गई ज़मीन पे, दिस वे, इट्स लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड दिस वे. दे आर सेइंग द पॉइंट, जिस पॉइंट पे वो टूटी थी, इट इज़ हाउ मच 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. And the top of the tree, it is away from the foot at a distance of how much, 12 मीटर. कितनी दूरी पे है टॉप, जो अब ज़मीन पर डाला है, जो ट्री का टॉप था जो ज़मीन पे है, और जो ट्री का फुट है कितनी दूरी पे है, दोनों 12 मीटर. एंड कितने पॉइंट पे ब्रेक हुआ, 9 मीटर. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री बिफोर इट ब्रोक. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. In order to find out the total height, we only have this much of height of the tree, that is 9 meter. We do not have the measurement of this tree that is lying slanting on the ground. So what we will do, first we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem and we'll find out this hypotenuse. Is it forming an hypotenuse or not? See, it's a slanting line. This is a triangle. It's a straight tree. Straight things always form 90 degree. It's a straight tree, it's forming a triangle, base is given to you, hypotenuse, ये measurement missing है. Why this measurement is missing? Why we are calculating this? Because they are asking you find the measurement of the full original tree. Original tree पूरे हिस्से से बना था, ये जो खड़ा है और ये जो गिर गया है. सो खड़े वाले की वैल्यू वी नो इट्स 9 मीटर. अब जो गिरा हुआ है इस स्लैंटिंग पोजीशन की, we'll find out the measurement. कैसे? By taking out this hypotenuse. And then we will add to this lower part of the tree, we'll add both the lengths and we'll find out the total height of the tree. So let's do the calculation. ये suppose A है, ये suppose B है, C है. So AC का square is equals to AB का square plus ABC का square. Using this we'll find out the hypotenuse, that is hypotenuse of this diagram. Actually this is the tree which has fallen down on the ground. Instead of being separated, it is still there on the ground touching this tree. So we need to find the measurement of the full tree. Full tree के measurement के लिए what we will have to do, we have to add this part 9 meter and this part which is lying on the ground. So if you see this, it is slanting. So using this Pythagoras theorem, we will going to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so AC का square will be how much? AB is 9 square and BC is 12 square. 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. Okay, on adding you will get 225. AC square कितना मिल जाएगा? 225. And AC alone will be what? Under root of 225 is equals to 15. So 15 is the measurement of this part. Let's find out the total length of the tree. Total length of the tree will be how much? It will be 9 meter plus 15 meter, which we have calculated from this Pythagoras theorem, because this part which is lying on the ground is actually the part of this tree only. So 9 plus 15 will give you how much? 24 meter as the answer.